क्यों मैं किसी की मजबूरी नहीं बनना चाहता।
It's the most keenly watched contest in Kashmir. Baramulla seat will decide the fate of former J&K Chief Minister Umar Abdullah. Initially, it was seen as a main contest between Umar Abdullah and Sajjad Lone of People's Conference. But the entry of jailed leader Engineer Rashid and the surprise support for him during the campaigning is posing a serious challenge for both Umar and Sajjad.
All Jammu and Kashmir National Conference.
A high decibel campaign in North Kashmir. As Umar Abdullah makes last-ditch efforts to woo voters. It's a high-stakes battle for all parties, even for the BJP, which is not contesting the polls from any of the three valley seats. Umar Abdullah has been the face of opposition to the abrogation of Article 370. His campaign is centered around the scrapping of 370 and how it's a threat to the identity and the very existence of the people of Jammu and Kashmir.
The removal of 370 removed the protections that we had for our identity, for the lands that were given to the people free of any compensation in 1950. It removes the protection that we had for our jobs. For any number of reasons, we are facing a threat to our existence.
Umar has accused Sajjad Lone, president of the People's Conference, of being a proxy candidate of the BJP. Sajjad has managed a rainbow coalition, pulling out all the stops to take on Umar. On his side is Altaf Bukhari, president of the Apni party, an informal ally of the BJP. While the BJP has not directly supported Sajjad, it has asked people to vote for any candidate other than those of the National Conference and the PDP.
What do they have, Nazir, here? What would they back me with? Somebody has to have some votes to back me with. They've got 2,000 votes last time. He should be defending his 40 years of rule. He should be defending that 9 out of 10 MPs were his. Accusing Sajjad Lone is not a narrative.
But as campaigning for the fifth phase peaks, both Umar Abdullah and Sajjad Lone are facing a serious challenger, jail leader Engineer Rashid, who appears to be upsetting all the electoral calculations in Baramulla. There are large spontaneous crowds coming out in his support. Rashid is in Tihar jail for the last 5 years, facing a charge of terror funding under UAPA. Rashid's two sons, both in their early 20s, are leading the campaign.
Yes, people know that he is in jail for last 5 years, and maybe that is why that people are just joining me in this campaign. They are voluntarily making posters, banners, and they are running this campaign. I am not spending a single penny on this campaign. You can confirm from any of the volunteer who is joining this campaign today.
The Baramulla Lok Sabha seat has 18 lakh voters, and given the massive participation in campaigning, a high turnout is expected, keeping all parties on their toes.
While BJP is not in the fray, its long shadow is deeply felt in the regional politics of Kashmir. Baramulla is clearly a triangular contest, and who wins this battle will go beyond poll results in Kashmir, where politics is still struggling to find its moorings. After Jammu and Kashmir was stripped of its special status and statehood in 2019. In Budgam, Nazir Masoodi for NDTV.